Hi, it's Wendy Lee from CreativeLeeYours.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in the US. And are you ready to get crafty? Whether you're a beginner or an advanced paper crafter, our monthly kits will widen your paper crafting abilities, teach you new skills, save you time, and give you plenty of one-of-a-kind projects. I do hope you'll check out all the details for my Cultivated Creativity monthly DIY paper crafting kit on my website at CreativeLeeYours.com. Today, I want to show you a little sneak peek of what you might expect from the projects and how the kits are packaged. So first, here's an example of one of our monthly kits, and it has 4 cards. You'll see those here, and a 3D item. So you're going to have 4 cards per month and some non-card. So it might be a 3D, it might be something else. Now, these projects are going to have a full color PDF tutorial with large photos with the complete supply list. So you're going to have step-by-step instructions. This way, you'll be stamping like a pro in no time. Now, each month, we are going to select a featured stamp set and or a bundle that the projects will be designed around. So you can add these on. We've put a special together so that you can add these bundles on to your class kits each month if you'd like to. You don't have to. You can definitely use what you have at home, but we want to save you a little bit of money as well. And so we put together a special bundle each month. So you'll hear about that once you're a subscriber. You'll hear about the bundle that we'll be featuring for the following month by the first of the month. All right, next, your kit. What will you get from us? So it will be packaged very nicely, but you are going to get a packet in the mail, and it's going to have some product in it. So it'll be about $20 or so in Stampin' Up! Products. You can see here we've got some designer paper, an embellishment, and a spool of ribbon. And then your class kits are going to each be individually bagged with a clear label on there so that you can see exactly what class it was for and which project. So the name of the project is going to match right up to your tutorial. So in each kit, let me kind of show you what you've got. We are cutting all of your layers for you, with the exception of the designer. If we're including designer series paper, you'll cut that so that you can customize your projects with the prints and colors that you want to do. All right. So I hope that this helps clarify what you might expect in the kit, and know that we are super excited to have you join us for our next month of Cultivated Creativity. All right. Bye for now. I'll see you soon.